Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lauren Baker. Today we'll be going over a professional portfolio of a data analyst as well as a data scientist. First, right off the bat, she goes over her services as a freelance data analyst and data science. She kind of goes over what her roles can be and what she's pretty much available for, which is a data analyst, analytics, dashboards. She can also be a front-end developer, really experienced with infographics, and also well with giving advice and coaching for data projects. She has a little bit about me too that goes over what degrees she possesses, which being bachelor's and master degrees. Um, she also describes how long she has experience for that being more than 8 years, and she also explains that she worked over more than 25 companies. However, the only thing I would like to nitpick about this portfolio is even though she did say she works for 25 companies, she doesn't really specify which companies are they. That's my only nitpick, is that I would like to know which company she has actually worked for. I think that would have been interesting. As you follow through, you can see a little bit of examples of work she can do, such as dashboards. You can see how well she can do a data analyst, and pretty much whatever role she needs to fit in or to work for, she can exactly do that for. She also has her contact, and she also shows what available positions she can do as well as rates. Overall, I think this is a beautiful portfolio. I just wish I would be able to see what company she had worked for.